cell itself could have gusty winds and hail within that core of that system, which is now just passing to the south.
An alien spaceship?
Basically due south right through Carroll County at the present time at around 30 to 40 miles an hour. As far as around
You guys seeing this?
of the upper low, there will be other showers and storms that will be firing up through the afternoon. All of those could have the potential of gusty winds and hail with them. We'll, of course, continue to keep you updated throughout the afternoon. And, of course, you can always get the latest anytime at WMUR.com.
That's weird. It said I've been recording for 33 seconds.
Appreciate it. Thanks for joining us. We have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here today at 4. Take care.
School buses. You'll be on one of those next month. Well, actually, oh no! I hear a plane. I hear a plane. I hear a plane right now. I hear a plane right now, guys. I literally hear a plane. I actually hear a plane right now. Do you guys hear that? But that's a truck. No plane. Or it maybe is a plane. Or it's a motorcycle. I don't know. You guys heard that? Have I already showed you guys my fort? Probably have. It's crazy. Okay, thank God I paused the video. Because my dad just said a swear word. Right, Mama? He said a swear word.
Yep.
So I just fell. Want to see an automatic fall? Yeah. It's going towards there. Ah! Oh, yep. That's doing it. Well, this is just crazy weather. Definitely hurricane day in New Hampshire. Oh. I don't see any strong wind. Hear that, guys? Hear that? You hear that? Things moving. Not too windy outside. All the neighbors' lights are shut off. That's what it always looks like. I know it's not. Usually it looks like the lights are on. There's actually a hurricane going on. It's literally just from rain. Like, if there's a hurricane going on, I'm gonna see waves and water going like across and rain going on. Oh.
Oh, severe weather storm. Severe weather warning?
The National Weather Service in Greenland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
It's showing on real TV.
In northern New Hampshire until 1:30 p.m. At 12:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tamworth, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of Ossipee, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Quarter-size hail?
Indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind and damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ossipee, Moulton Borough, Meredith, Effingham, Wilkesboro, Tamworth, Sandwich, Madison, Freedom, Albany, Eaton, and Tufton Borough. This also includes
Am I hearing things?
2401. For your
It's not here,
protection,
it's
move
up
to an
north.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Carroll, New Hampshire.
Errol, New Hampshire? That's where our camp is. No. No, we were getting mail. We just got mail. That was weird. That is seriously true. That is not. That is a good sounding car, but that is an old car that did not look cool. Oh, how is my mom already right there? My mom is already right there. My driveway is long. What the heck? My God. The heck? What do you guys want to see me play Minecraft? Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me set up this camera. Let me set up my phone. There we go. Now I got it. Okay. Play some Minecraft. Hold on. Let me get a better angle. Okay, let's get building. Hopefully you guys see the whole thing. Trying to show you guys. It's hard playing like this. I'm trying to get more subscribers. I'm like at 100 right now. I thought I was gonna get 10 million subscribers like so fast when I first started recording. Like I thought I was gonna get so much. That's back when I was 6. I'm 8 right now. Oh, my doggy. Oh my God. Doggy, I'm trying to build something. Doggy, you better get down from there. Sit right there. Hopefully the shelf did not break. There's glass on top of the road. Okay. Well, let me get a better angle. Hold on. I think it's gonna be. Well, let me check out that window first. Looks like a beautiful day. Well, let me go in my bedroom first. Okay, I'm in my bedroom right now. Hold it. And let me pause the video to get I found a very good angle right here. Yeah, I need to find a better angle. I think this is a perfect angle. Yeah, that's the perfect angle. Perfect. Oh. Okay. I can't find any good angles. Okay. Think I got a good angle. Yeah, that's right. I'm not fun. You guys didn't see that, right? It's already nighttime. That's how long it took me to set you guys up. I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at myself for not making the perfect angle. Because this was a good angle. Okay. I'm looking at the switch, not you guys. I'm really looking at the switch, not you guys. Sorry, guys. Okay. Why did I just shut myself in? Okay, I probably split myself in half in mine. Let me check. Okay, I am good. I'm good. You guys don't know my skin. I'm a default. I'm literally a default. if I look at you guys, then I'll mess up a lot at Minecraft. And not saying you guys are mean, like saying that if I look, like go look at you guys. I didn't even know what I was doing. I'm working on the second floor in my house, in Minecraft. And if you know the YouTuber Johnny, then go check him out. They're cool people. Oh, sorry, I just need to break a piece of glass. A piece of glass. Okay, just a piece of glass. A piece of glass. And it's in Minecraft. So I can basically do anything, like blow up the whole world. I won't do that though. And I'm talking about in Minecraft. I can blow up the whole world in Minecraft. I got a movie theater in here, but I lost my other house. And that was not cool. And before I built this masterpiece, it was basically this whole house, but it didn't have no roof. No roof, beds, and all of this was grass, and there was no bedrooms like this and stuff. I literally made bedrooms like this stuff. I made a beautiful hole. I literally made a whole, like a living room and stuff. It's like so cool, modern stuff. Guys should try to, if you have PS5, try to paste this house in, please, because I want to see my house in your world. If you have like a PS5 and you play Minecraft on it, or if you have an Xbox, and yeah, Loki, I'm wondering if you can copy and paste. Or I'm wondering if you can make this house, Loki. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Loki. I'm talking about my friend, Loki. He loves my videos, bro. When I first started, I was poo-poo at YouTube. Like, I made 2 videos in one day because it ended up fun, but I was stupid. And I thought it was cool, like it was crazy and stuff. Like, I was so cute. Like, I was being so cute. But now I'm like a beast at this. 100 subscribers. I love adding windows, so the windows look cool. You can see that. I really add a theme park to go with the whole thing. Like, oh, look at this theme park. It's so cool. There's really 3 water slides. I also added McDonald's like way over there. I can show you guys later after I built this house. And here's this. There we go. My house is done, but it's just the thing. And also, everybody loves bathrooms. You might be asking, what's this modern room right here? Well, it's a bathroom. Bathrooms are the best. Everybody knows that. Get out of here, stupid glass. Okay. I think over here should be an upstairs living room. And over there is going to be a kitchen way over there. Like right where I'm hitting. What? The people swear on TV and he literally blocked it out. So I'm like, I'm making a modern table. Like this. This is how you make a really good modern table. There we go. Modern. Yep. Modern enough. If I say so myself. Let me make this table a little smaller so you can sit on the couch. I'm going to extend this out a bit. This. No. How about right here? Right here. I need to place it right here, like this. The only way. Like you'll just need to do. You'll just need to do this, okay, and pretend you're sitting. I'm gonna need to watch this video to see if it's good. Like actually. Pretty good day if you got robbed. Pretty rude. That's pretty bad. I don't know anything. Well, before I add the whole interior, let me show you that McDonald's. Can I pause the video? I just unpaused it because I realized I want to show you guys where it is. Or look, you can hack in. Oh, I'm gonna let you do this. You can hack in and then copy and paste this into your world. And then bam, copy my world into your world. And I'll be like, what, Loki? What are you doing here? Well, he's not gonna understand me. Got a water slide. Get my leaf for a water slide. I built it because I thought it was going to be fun, but you just fly into a tree. At the end. If you row your boat for the whole thing, you definitely fly into a tree. And that's the McDonald's. I forgot to add the roof. I'll add it in when I'm finished recording. You guys can't see the whole thing. It's still a good video, right? Play Minecraft. Alright. Like a very good McDonald's. I haven't had any seats yet, but I will soon. Don't know when my mom's watching, but that's the end of the Minecraft. And, oh, it's 2